Give me your hand.
Mommy, are you videoing me? What are you doing, Mommy?
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Okay, you wait for me, but then, Mommy, I don't ask you a question for one. Can I ask you a question, please?
Yeah?
I said, Mommy, calm down.
I should calm down.
Yes.
I should calm down.
Yes, don't be angry.
Ó ṣe jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó bá gbé lé ẹ lọ́wọ́ ló máa lọ ń kó. Give me your hand.
No, I'm just telling you to be calming down.
Don't calm me down. Don't calm me down.
I want you to be calm down. So if that rest small,
Eh?
you must rest, Mommy. You must rest a little.
I should rest before I beat you.
No. Just rest like this. Like this.
Bọ́ sílẹ̀, ìwọ tí mo fẹ́ náà ó tún jókòó.
No, don't sit down. Don't tell you don't do.
Give me your
I'm
hand.
sorry, ma.
Give me your
Mama
hand.
ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. I said Mama ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́.
Ó máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
No.
Ṣé bó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lánàá?
No.
When I say don't do it, you will still do it.
No, not it tomorrow. Tomorrow, I promise you. I promise you. This is my last chance. Last chance in the world. Last chance.
Give me your hand. I want to beat you. I want to beat you. Give me.
Let me wipe off my tears.
Kan tí mi bá ti gbé sí ẹ lọ́wọ́, má máa mú. Ó gbọ́ mi. Give me your hand. Give me your
Mommy,
hand.
are you videoing me? What are you doing, Mommy?
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Okay, you wait for me, but then, Mommy, I don't ask you a question for one. Can I ask you a question, please?